Alright everybody,
welcome back to our channel, the Parchment Fam.
Yeah, so today is Sunday morning and I don't know in the kitchen. Right about now I go cook up with Sunday morning breakfast slash dinner because you don't know what dinner breakfast this in a one.
Yeah.
So basically what happened, we start cut up with thing already, so we cook some food and then we say why not share it, you know? So practically you catch we halfway. We not reach far yet, so just a show now what I go on right about now. And if it's the first time to the channel, remember welcome. You know,
welcome back.
If it's not your first time, welcome back to our channel. So basically let's get into it. We're not gonna talk too long. Right now what we have here, we have broccoli, cabbage and carrot. We cut that up, we're gonna steam that down. So you don't know that is our vegetable this morning. Kinda try change up the eating habits, you know, and the lifestyle. Here we have a season cut up with onion, sweet pepper, thyme and scallion. Alright, I'm supposed to hot now, but because I want to share this with you now, we kind of delay the process of showing this in our oil to fry up, you know. So fry up the seasoning right about now, you know. Yeah man, so we're there with the pepper, we can't make this mess this morning. We have share with the breakfast we are going to eat. And as you can see, to go with our steamed vegetables, we have green banana, pumpkin. We're gonna cook some dumplings. We're gonna fry plantain as well. As you can see, them plantain you have to go right away. Them my best we could have get out of the bunch, because a big black plantain I see in the supermarket. Them my best too we could have get. So you don't know if we gonna let them out of the shell and deal with them quick. Before you wake up and see charcoal planting tomorrow morning. So
charcoal.
I try to get that started out, yeah? Yeah man, so 1/3 veggie I mean where I say the veggie seasoning in the meantime. And you can see how them look fresh.
You know you garlic?
No, I don't like garlic in it.
Why not?
Well, then enough.
It's a part of the lifestyle, so garlic is very good for your health.
It's good in health too.
Garlic is better. So it's something you have to go start incorporate.
Yeah, people, so you can see them here fry. We now fry them because they want to steam over the cabbage. So I'm showing this right away so we can move on to the dumpling and things. So you see, we have cabbage, carrot, grate out the carrot in it, make it shred, and the broccoli. Alright, so we're gonna put this in the frying pan and make it go and steam down a little bit. So you don't know if fruits and veggies wash clean, because you don't know veggies. You don't know what go on them time I write about now, you know. So make sure everything clean and wash.
He peel out anything, so but me a peace of mind when they wash good same way. Yeah, go probably make it go down a little.
So if you don't want me cook this on the oil, man, just put it down in there.
I know.
Cut it over on it and then make it steam down.
Yeah, cabbage or something more. Shrink. It
color look. So don't know ya. Put this over my frying pan and make it steam down a little bit, you know? Yeah man. Yep. So that press down, put the cover on it. The sauce cover snap by itself.
And it shrink all the
way down. So we're not going to put enough of my powder seasoning on this until it shrink down, you know? So make that go and steam out. Yeah. What we want to get to now is peel up my green banana them. Well, them are not going to do it. We'll do the pumpkin first, make it go and boil out. And then we add with dumpling, then banana. What we basically might do for save some time is put the pumpkin and the dumpling to cook. And then put the banana in a separate pot so we're not wait too long. Because you know cabbage has something cook really fast. Alright? So, let me get to that. Deal with the pumpkin, you know. Put on the pot in some hot water. I say now put on some hot water in a pot, I say reverse. I know I have a laugh when I hear that part then, but I say go.
Boy!
I'm going to put the pumpkin and the dumpling in this pot right here. The other pot. Then we have to put the banana in this one. Right? So the trick to it is put it in well hot water so it boils quicker.
And look on them here. I create mess. Look on the mess we didn't create. Watch them. Watch them. I want to think of snow.
So we have to go use 3 burner. Take this food over here. Yeah, people, so you don't know. Put the salt in my pot. No me taste the salt now, because we don't want no more than that from the seat. You know. Yeah, so put that on the stove. You don't know. Cut up the pumpkin right about now.
Yeah, and that this big hole sitting there.
Yeah, the kitchen bitch.
I hate to cut pumpkin.
Mom, you make a big mess.
Make a big mess.
Yeah.
The people, so we have a pumpkin in the
Make
food.
a big mess.
Make sure you can clean up the big mess where you make. Okay?
Yeah. Here we clean up pumpkin. We see, so we just scrape him out with a spoon. You see me? See all them pumpkin seeds are nice to plant if you have a backyard and stuff. You know that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Run all over the place.
Get your one pumpkin free and you can sell some too if you want.
With your backyard, just plant them and a nice pretty pumpkin.
Wash your pumpkin proper now. Then you wash off the pumpkin good, you know?
Kind of peel.
Yeah, because when I peel the pumpkin, if you peel a pumpkin and cook it, that crush out and then you porridge it.
You know, like so you can put all the pumpkin in a cabbage too if you want.
Yeah.
You can cut up the pumpkin in it.
Yeah, you can do that
So
too.
many things that you can.
Yeah, because you cook out the same time like if the cabbage and get soft. But you cut it up fine and thing in
Yeah,
there.
you peel it and actually cut it up fine. This way I eat like a food.
Yeah. Then go and boil, you know?
And there you go. Wow, need the flour now, right?
Make we dumpling and thing right about now. So now get rid of them pumpkin seed out of the way first.
People, look on the big old mess with the people making at the kitchen. Jenna, stop. Okay, you're too big. Too big, man. You want to go in the living room. Come, go so. Go. Out. Go. Out. Get out. Out. Go. Oh, come on.
Yeah, so you don't know. Put the salt in your flour. Mix it up. Dumpling we are making now, you know? How that look? That come along here now, so right now, as you can see, we knead up the flour and make the dumpling right about now. Huh? Drop in this cartwheel, well, they may not cartwheel, you know?
Cartwheel.
They may more like a pram wheel.
Pram.
Yeah.
Stroller, you talking?
Stroller wheel. No, Jamaica, a pram, they call it.
Right, pram.
It's a pram, you know? So, drop in the dumpling them in the pot, then you go and cook with the pumpkin. Then you don't know, say, you put on the banana separate, because you can't wait.
I don't want them crush up, so yeah.
Yeah. Dip on the last dumpling, you know? So you make it the biggest one last.
You're wonder one they don't eat.
Yeah. Don't know, drop him in a pot there. Make him cook down, you know?
You know, stir. Stir.
Give me a spoon. That one there.
That one full of cabbage.
Then no matter. The whole of them are going in our belly. Cabbage are going there, dumpling are going there, pumpkin are going there, and everything. Yeah.
Water, it's not too much.
Yeah, so take out some of my water with the pot, you know? I don't know when you put the thing in, they make the water the pot. The water raise for you.
That's alright though, you don't take it long. It's a bubble up still.
You take out one.
Bubble it, a bubble on up, all it up, wow.
Then I move on this up.
So your cabbage gone down, people.
Yeah, people. So let's store up the cabbage right about now. Put on some seasoning upon him, you know? Yeah. I can see all the broccoli steam down, get soft, you know.
That's the season you want. And black pepper. No, please don't put too much black pepper.
I'm not using black pepper, I'm putting back.
Okay. Yeah, put a little bit.
No, man. You see me what I said, this all shit day night already.
You put pepper in there?
What pepper? No, not pepper. This, the...
Okay.
Yeah,
that's already a black.
the people, so. As for some reason, sometimes the black pepper make it spicy. Remember one night time we put it on it?
And it's already a black pepper in it, so.
We are doing make it Steve melt out on the top. Like set on the top. Then we store it bottom and then put more.
Let me leave that, please.
Yeah, people, so. We are make a season here kind of dissolve on the cabbage and then we spin it over and put some on the bottom part of the cabbage. You know, like store up in the dry season like that. Yeah, people, so as you can see right about now, banana don't peel and not go in, you know. Last one we dip on now. You see them banana skin are tough.
Work out to peel them.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Come see banana dip on fire over there, you know. They boil out, you know. Put on the cover pan the pot.
Let me take a look back.
See there.
Oh, shit.
And as you can see, this a pot is almost done. Me get my spoon for my dumpling and thing. Banana skin cover up my spoon. So
Both almost done.
both soon done, people. See there. Dumpling curly almost done cooked. Pumpkin ready. This a pumpkin I can eat right about now. See there. Make that cook like more. Cabbage ready too, as you can see. The cabbage are proper and ready now. Yeah, people, so.
Yep.
Steamed cabbage both one.
Turn off on.
We have wheat pan with dumpling and
Banana.
banana and pumpkin right about now. See that? See steam? Oh my. How that look? Nice.
Alright, people, so while we wait on the dumpling and the banana and stuff to finish cook, husband there cut up some callaloo for our next day meal, you know, so it's ready when we ready to cook it.
Yeah, so we now waste time and cut up callaloo, you know.
Yeah.
Can this callaloo start out in green and pretty and soft.
Yeah.
You can actually like you can eat them raw too, then soft.
Yeah, man, nice pretty callaloo there. Yeah.
You like we got a supermarket they right there, because sometimes we don't normally get them so good.
Some ugly big star.
Yeah, some big ugly callaloo.
What's it, man? It's so pretty.
Like a tree trunk.
Yeah, true. Yeah, so I cut it up and wait. By the time I don't cut it up, everything's supposed to done cook.
Yeah, by the time I don't cut it up, dumpling and everything ready, you know.
Cause him cut fast, you know, like a me, him say me do everything slow. So
Yeah, so you don't know. This a callaloo, it actually nice, so I'm not gonna take much time, you know.
yeah, it's almost done already.
Yeah, people, so don't know callaloo done cut up, you know. Bag up the callaloo, put him in the fridge, you know. Yeah, man, so you don't know. 2 bungalow callaloo that cut up in a no time. So 1 bungalow cut up and we tie it up already. I'll tie up the next bungalow right about now.
Pretty. And over here, so
When they don't cook now, you can
them
turn
here
them
done now, so them are gonna turn off now. Ready for we eat them out. Hot.
So, let's see if we can fry up some plantain right now.
Oh yeah, we forget about the
I do the
plantain.
plantain and then we eat up, you know. So we deal with the plantain. Everybody's supposed to know plantain already. We deal with that real fast, and then we're gonna see we plate. All right.
Yeah.
We might throw a piece of plant after we done. We almost done fried them. Alright, so before we see golden plant.
So now I share some food for the kids them cause them hungry. So share that out and then we fry the plantain. Cause them not gonna eat plantain anyway, so yeah. Give you one dumpling and one banana. Right down here. Everybody eat vegetable today. Chunky. Yeah, cut up it. Jana, no. Jana eat one dumpling.
Yeah, we cut up it here.
I eat one whole dumpling, you one smaller one.
I don't think it's one that me dumpling here.
I biggest one is, you try to have a small one.
Can't give me big dumpling.
It wasn't on purpose. Alright, so here half a banana. Alright. Some veggies. Right. Let me cut it up for them. I eat that. See there? The Jana. That's the chunky. Cut it up, I don't want to give them. Alright, chunky. So here, one here. Go and sit down. Your food will come. Go and sit down. Go wear your food. Alright, so it's hot enough, mama, so you have to go be careful. So that's hers. You excited? Yeah. Yay! Alright, so alright, here's your tablet. And make sure it's hot, Jen, so make it cool down a little bit, okay? And blow on it.
Yeah, people, so we are cut up with plant now for fry. You see me? We eat with the food.
I love this.
You don't know some plant for breakfast now and some for dinner later.
It's dinner for me. Let me eat something light.
Well, we know some have to eat something before we hit the road later.
You enjoy your food, Mama? You like it?
Yes.
It's good? You like the vegetable?
Yeah.
What you like the best?
I like my food.
You like your food?
Yeah.
Good job, Mama. Good job.
Yeah, people, so plant done fry now as you can see. Just have to take out the plant, you know? Then well golden and nice. So I gotta eat this with the food. See that? So planting ready
Pretty.
and everything.
It's time. I'm going to set up a plate and come back. Clean up as usual before we eat. Alright, people, see it there. Food done. Share out. By the looks of that, you don't know how to plate that already. So it's big enough. And this time, you know, it look enough, but it's mostly vegetable because it's just too dumpling and too banana.
Enough.
Yeah, but I'm not going to eat it off same way.
Matter.
For me, I look on him, it's like, are you sure it is still enough? And me, I complain, say enough. But look on this.
So I taste mine right about now.
So,
no waste time business.
I'm hungry people, so it's like, he can't wait to dive down in it. That's it.
Taste proper, you know. Nice.
Let me taste my own. Alright. Come on, not too salt or just right. Proper.
Yeah, so
Proper man.
pretty much.
I might just eat coffee.
Because I see my mouth fit in a regular plate, so I want to go on like you know enough.
Yeah, you know.
Yeah, people, so that's the end of the video.
Open
We
jar.
done cook, come out good, taste
Water,
nice.
water,
So if you get this far, don't come off of the video without hitting the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Alright? So again, thanks for watching. We're gonna eat and now we're well hungry.
Yes, hungry now.
Peace out. Alright?
Bye.
Bye.